Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. In this class, we are going to discuss about the answer keys in lesson 8 and 9 in grammar book. Already we have completed lesson 8 and 9. Already given the homework also. I hope you all remember that. So in this class, we just discuss the answer for the book back exercise. So now all of you take your grammar book and take page number 42. Take page number 42. The topic of the lesson is use of some modal auxiliaries. So answers, first Roman. First one used to, second one ought, third one dare, fourth one used to, fifth one ought, sixth one dare not, seventh one ought to, eighth one ought to, ninth one used to, tenth one ought. Second Roman, correct the following sentence. The first one, dare Bob create some mischief. Second one, Sham need not stay here now. Third one, you ought to respect your elders. Fourth one, she need not get up so early. Fifth one, need Dave come early tomorrow. Sixth one, ought not you to send for the doctor. Seventh one, need I pay the money to Roman. Eighth one, did not Romo used to cook. Third Roman A, first one, he has to tell the truth. Second one, you have to change your habits. Third one, you have to inform them about it. Fourth one, they have to sell their house at once. Fifth one, Ishani has to back to her parents. Sixth one, Devi has to finish her work by today evening. B Roman, first one, we must obey the rules. Second one, Namya must go home early. Third one, you must do as you are told. Fourth one, I must be back before evening. Fifth one, Rajini must wash some clothes every day. Sixth one, the students must bring their books daily. Fourth Roman, A. First one, we are not to tell lies. Second one, you are not to tell the secret. Third one, Manu is not to be late again. Fourth one, he is not to forget your advice. Fifth one, the boys are not to pluck flowers. Sixth one, you are not to leave without telling me. B Roman, first one, I must not trust him now. Second one, we must not cheat each other. Third one, they must not betray their boss. Fourth one, she must not tell lies again in her life. Fifth one, you must not make a noise in the class. Sixth one, he must not listen to your excuses. Page number 44. Fifth Roman A. First one. There are two options. It means used must not and is, am, or plus not to do. For every question, there is two answers. So write neatly. First one, we must not start at night. Second, we are not to start at night. For second one, A and B, I must not help him this time and I am not help him this time. Third one, I must not come here again. I am not to come here again. Fourth one, boys must not read such books. Boys are not to read such books. Fifth one, she must not live in the hostel. She is not to live in the hostel. Sixth one, Manu must not ask him for money. Manu is not to ask him for money. Seventh one, he must not take this medicine now. He is not to take this medicine now. Eighth one, you must not spend all the money on clothes. You are not to spend all the money on clothes. Fifth Roman B. First one, you must do it again. You have to do it again. Second one, I must carry them both. I have to carry them both. Third one, she must return it to you. She has to return it to you. Fourth one, you must answer in English. You have to answer in English. Fifth one, they must leave before dinner. They have to leave before dinner. Now take page number 48, lesson 9, book back exercise answer. The gerund and the participle. Page number 48, first Roman. Answer for first one, to travel. Second one, to do. Third one, smoking. Fourth one, to come. Fifth one, buying. Sixth one, to keep. Seventh one, teasing. Eighth one, to convince. Ninth one, swimming. 10th one, going. 11th one, speaking. 12th one, to see. 13th one, meeting. 14th one, to stay. 15th one, learning. 16th one, laughing. 17th one, telling. 18th one, seeing. 19th one, to suggest or offending. 20th one, to call, reaching. Sixth one, Arman must show his passport. Arman have to show his passport. Seventh one, you must do this exercise again. You have to do this exercise again. Eighth one, they must tell him their new address. They have to tell him their new address. For sixth Roman, they are given rewrite the following sentence in the past tense. You already know the tense form. So that is your own answer. Page number 44 to 45. There are 25 questions. You should use the past form. And seventh Roman, remove the idea of obligation. So you just write, remove the obligation of idea and write the correct answers. So both are own answers. So that's all. Now all of you take lesson 9 book back exercise. Page number 50, first Roman. First one, answer to succeed. Second one, to blame. Third one, to see. Fourth one, run. Fifth one, to learn. Sixth one, to see. Seventh one, doing. Eighth one, to see. Ninth one, leave or leaving. 10th one, coming. 11th one, helping. 12th one, being or to rest. 13th one, believing. 14th one, having found. 15th one, turning. 16th one, coming. 17th one, to hear and forgive. 18th one, talking. 19th one, to spell, to write. 20th one, accepting. See, second Roman, what is the difference between the bare infinitive and to infinitive? Give for examples. The second Roman, third Roman, what is a gerund? 3 examples. And fourth one, what is the participle and how many kinds of participle and examples. Fifth one, what is the difference between the gerund and participle? So these, give the examples. These are these all second Roman to fifth Roman should be your own answers. You can read one more again about the gerund and the participle and write the examples of your own. So that's all, my dear students. Thank you. Next class we can see.